Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Sony a6000 along with the Sony Alpha EPZ 18-105 lens. So, as you can see, this films in full HD 1080p. It has Wi-Fi. It has 11 frames per second. 24.3 megapixels, and yeah, on this side, these are the things that the camera works with, along with the accessories that the camera comes with. And on this side over here are some accessories that you can purchase for the camera. These are not included. These are just recommended accessories. And so let's open it. So this is for US customers only. If you need assistance with your Sony product, we are here to help. Okay. Here, I guess, is editing software for your Sony camera. Yeah. Capture One Express for Sony. This, I think, teaches you how to use the software, updating the camera lens software and all that. This teaches you how to use your Wi-Fi connection. Yeah. And here is like a guide for which camera and which lenses can be used with each camera. So there's this whole chart they give you. Yeah. All that. And here they're just thanking you for your purchase. Over here is probably the instructions manual, how to use your camera and everything. Okay, this was not in English. This is in English. That was in another language. And here it tells you okay. Now let's look what's inside here. Over here is charger. Over here is a strap for the camera, neck strap. Over here is just a USB cable for you to charge or transfer stuff. Here is, I think, a viewfinder cap, lens cap. And here is a battery. Okay, and now for the actual camera. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, pretty empty to me. Okay, so now here's the actual camera. Wow. Also, I guess I'll put the lens, the cap on. So here's the on and off button. This dial is for you to change modes. Record. Over here, display. That's your flash. And display. And I think this is a sliding display. Hang on. Yeah, so it's a sliding display, which is super cool. Over here, you have some ports for you to hang your strap. This is the lens. It's yeah, and then on and off. On the bottom here is pretty standard. You have the thing for you to connect to a tripod screw, and over here put the battery. And there's no juice in the battery. There's nothing on this side, and yeah. So there you go. That's the Sony a6000 camera. And now onto the Sony Alpha EPZ 18-105 lens. Now this lens is part of the E-mount series, and it's great for any X cameras. I think it has optical image stabilization, so steady shot, and it has power zoom and autofocus. So pretty cool lens. So just got some instructions manuals for the lenses, and have some more instruction manual type thing. Lens cap, I guess. Wow. There you go. So you connect this to this, like that. You can try it. There you go. Thanks for watching.